Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Plug your iOS device into the Windows PC with a certified cable. You must unlock the device and tap Trust when prompted, because Windows needs permission to access files. On the PC, make sure iTunes or Apple mobile device support is installed and running. This provides the driver that bridges the two systems. Once done, check Device Manager for an Apple mobile device entry. If it appears, you have the foundation ready to continue. Next, ensure the Apple mobile device service is running. Open Services. MSC and start or restart it. This stabilizes communication. If Windows shows an unrecognized device, open Device Manager, locate the iPhone entry, and update the driver by choosing the Apple driver or reinstalling iTunes to refresh drivers. For photos, use File Explorer to import from the DSIM folder. For backups and sync, use iTunes. Make sure the device stays finished by completing your sync, backup, or file transfer, then eject the device safely from Windows to avoid corruption. If something goes wrong, restart both the iOS device and the PC, try a different USB port or cable, and disable heavy firewall or antivirus briefly. These can block Apple services. As a targeted fix, on the iPhone, go to Settings, General Reset Location and Privacy. Reconnect to re-trigger the Trust prompt. That often resolves persistent recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.